Top 5 Coffee Grinders for Home Use 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Wancle One-Touch Electric Coffee Grinder, Black. Upgrade your coffee game with the Wancle One-Touch Electric Coffee Grinder in sleek black. Precision meets simplicity. Unlike bulky or inconsistent grinders, this compact powerhouse delivers uniform grounds at the touch of a button, perfect for espresso, drip, or French press. With durable stainless steel blades and a generous 2.5-ounce capacity, it outperforms similar models in speed and consistency. Easy to clean and quiet in operation, it's ideal for daily brewing. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a casual drinker, the Wancle grinder ensures fresh, aromatic results every time. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and experience the difference quality makes. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder delivers consistently fresh, flavorful coffee with every brew. Unlike bulkier, pricier models, this compact grinder offers quiet operation and a mess-free design, perfect for daily use. Easily navigate options using your keyboard's up and down arrows to compare features across similar grinders. Whether you're upgrading from a blade grinder or switching brands, Fresh Grind ensures uniform grounds for optimal extraction. Ideal for drip, French press, or pour over, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, to explore more. Trust Hamilton Beach for reliable performance and rich, aromatic coffee every morning. Number 3. Cuisinart DBM 8P1 Electric Burr Coffee Grinder. The Cuisinart DBM 8P1 Electric Burr Coffee Grinder delivers precision and consistency, outperforming blade grinders with its uniform grind for richer, more flavorful coffee. Unlike similar models, it features 18 grind settings, from fine to coarse, perfect for espresso to French press. Its durable stainless steel burrs ensure long-lasting performance, while the 8-ounce removable bean hopper and grind chamber make cleanup easy. Quiet operation and a sleek design add to its appeal. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or daily brewer, this grinder elevates your routine. Compare with similar items using your keyboard's up or down arrows. Select the Tools and Home Improvement department to explore more. Enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home every time. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER One-Touch Coffee Grinder 150W. Upgrade your coffee game with the BLACK+DECKER One-Touch Coffee Grinder 150W, a powerful, compact grinder that delivers consistent, fresh grounds at the touch of a button. Unlike bulkier or less efficient models, this sleek grinder features stainless steel blades and a 150W motor for quick, uniform grinding, perfect for espresso, drip, or French press. Its one-touch operation ensures ease of use, while the transparent lid lets you monitor grind size. Designed for durability and style, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Compare with similar items using your keyboard's up or down arrows. Select the Tools and Home Improvement department to explore more. Enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home every morning. Number 1. Amazon Basics Electric Coffee Grinder, Stainless Steel Blades. Upgrade your coffee game with the Amazon Basics Electric Coffee Grinder, featuring durable stainless steel blades for consistent, fine grounds. Compared to similar items, it offers reliable performance at an unbeatable value. Perfect for espresso, drip, or French press. Compact and easy to use, it grinds beans quickly with minimal noise. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows for seamless browsing. Select the department you want to search in: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, to find the right fit. Backed by Amazon Basics quality, this grinder delivers fresh flavor every time. Enjoy cafe-quality coffee from the comfort of your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.